Hi John. You running a small business, but have a lot of problems, a lot of troubles, and lack of money. We have a solution: best local business listing website for all textile companies. The best online tools, save your time and money. Get more traffic. Be successful online. Get more customers. Make more money. Sounds interesting? Want to see more? Register as a seller on team. Register as a textile manufacturer or wholesaler on our portal and do business easily. Get genuine, verified buyers. We ensure that you receive business queries only from genuine and verified buyers. Grow your business. We connect you with textile businesses in 183 countries to help you grow your business. Growing up your business today. Make your textile business easier. Join now Textile Infomedia. Get more customer and highly grow up your selling. Visit now www.textileinfomedia.com. Call on 97129754000.